met John a couple of years ago. We went up and visited his plant of his boatyard there up in northern Florida 2 years ago. And we talked about a few different options of what they were building. And 2 years later, I own a couple 20-foot tri-tunes, a 26-foot TIKI boat, and a pride and joy, a 32-foot Coast Guard inspected vessel, which holds about 32 people. And we run that with a captain and a mate. And we throw nice parties for the people who come on board. And the experience with John and his crew has been fantastic, actually. They're great people to work with. And I think it's like just life in general. I think I want to be inspired, and I want to be moved. And I think that just from the kid who's parking cars up the street at a resort to the indie band in the park that's just trying to get their music out, if you have a passion for something, it comes through, and that's exactly what they do up there at A&M Manufacturing. They build these finely crafted vessels, and the experience has been great for us. I couldn't speak more about the people who work there, from the time that we did our order to all the way down to Buddy delivered it on the truck. So the boat handles great. We tend to be the mid-sized boat. We're not as big as some of the ones that hold 42 passengers, but we got a sweet spot where we're right in between the smaller boats and the bigger boats. And this boat has twin 150s on it with a head, and it's very comfortable. It's very roomy. It handles well. We anchor it well. It's a perfect size for what we do.